Buenas tardes, hermanos cibernautas. Aquí les quiero compartir esta tormenta, porque esto no se le puede llamar lluvia. Estamos ubicados en el Caribe mexicano. Estamos a 30 kilómetros de Progreso, que es la mera punta de la península yucateca, enfrente de Miami, Cuba, Puerto Rico, República Dominicana, Haití. De este lado un poco más arriba, frente al brazo de Miami, se encuentran las Islas Bahamas, Nassau. Pero aquí estamos en Mérida, Yucatán. Estamos a 30 minutos del muelle internacional más largo del mundo. Y aquí, como pueden ver, lo que les quiero mostrar es esta tormenta que está agobiando. Es una belleza, gracias a Dios le vamos a dar por esta belleza. Es increíble el monto y la capacidad de agua. Hace 3 días llovió así como ahorita, pero bastante potente, y catalogaron que los pies cúbicos de agua casi fue la mitad del huracán Isidoro. Hoy, hace un rato, temprano cayó un aguacero y luego hubo un espacio de, no sé, calculo como una hora, un poquito más, y luego cayó la segunda, y luego se aclaró el cielo. Y aclarar el cielo para nosotros es como decir que ya vamos de salida, porque dice el refrán: después de la tormenta viene la calma, bendito sea Dios. Acabo de trasladarme de la parte del centro hacia acá, hacia el poniente, y es increíble, es dificultoso navegar en los lagos profundos. Los cruzamientos de las calles es imposible. Impossible. Totally impossible. I was telling in Spanish to the old people, around this place that I'm staying right now. This is Mérida, Yucatán, Mexico. We are close to Progreso. Progreso is a beach that really, all the beaches around that place is amazing. It's a green turquoise, unbelievable. Nice places, good food, good ambience, bars. The one thing that I want to mention is when you go any bar or any place that use serving food and beverage, it's incredible that you only pay for the bottle of beer. I just find a place with a friend of mine that 22 pesos for one beer, and they give you the botana. They call it botana. It's really snacks being chopped in early morning for the cookers and for the cooks. Excuse me. And it's amazing. They give you a lot of choices. Actually, it's a small places, right? But it's a lot of choices. Very good. Como pueden ver aquí, este diluvio, porque ya esto ya no se puede llamar tormenta. Esto es un diluvio. Pero bendito sea Dios, durante años ha sido así y hemos vivido de esta manera. Yo en lo particular pues acabo de regresar a vivir a México, y es un hermoso lugar, hermosas mujeres, mucha comida buenísima. Ya ahorita entró la comida china, ya de otros países, pero no creo que pueda vencer hacia la comida yucateca. Algo especial como la cochinita pibil, el relleno negro, los papazules, el salpimentado, caldo de res, many and others that I don't remember right now, or probably I don't run it in my mind at this moment. But this is a nice place that I want to invite you to come and visit. Progreso is the place now. They have the pier, the most longest pier in whole around the Republic. And it's not only around the Republic, it's the most longer pier all around the world. All around the world, like I'm saying, all around the world. Amazing, unbelievable. Nice beaches, the food. Anyway, When you get a chance, visit Progreso. You can fly from any place through Merida. They have an international airport, the very nice international airport. The name is Benito Juarez, and the really has in the same level as American places like airports and everything. International airport. Welcome anytime. Come to visit. It's funny to say because many people say from here, okay, come to visit, but left. You gotta go because they say that we have many people now right now. The traffic is terrible, and like things like this. I don't know why they call it terrible. It's very nice, but you have to prepare yourself. You have to have food and a lot of things because I gotta tell you that this one, I thought it's gonna be easy, like in 1 hour, but looks like it's impossible. Look, if you see like that, you can hear the noise and the power of it's a powerful rain. So anyway, from here with us, the kind of things that are really, for some people it's bad things, but for me, well, I had to adjust myself and my soul and give it to all the opportunity to God to protect me. For all of you, for me and everybody, I just want to thank you for everything, and I want to thank you for watching my videos, and thank you very much, and God bless to all. This is Fernie Rodriguez. My canal is South Vampiro. My channel is South Vampiro, and whenever you got, it's close to Cancun. Cancun is the one that are really, I'm being losing a lot of entertainment, but Progreso is the place now. Come and check it out. Fernie Rodriguez. Ciao.